Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Whether you want to change your name for fun, for a clan, or a special event, I will guide you through it. In this video, I'll take you through the steps to seamlessly alter your Fortnite moniker using the latest features. Let's go. If you're looking to refresh your gaming identity or simply want to adopt a new persona on the battlefield, changing your Fortnite name is the way to go. Changing the display name on a PC or Mac is quite similar, as the change is done through the Epic Games website. To do this, proceed to the Epic Games website, epicgames.com, using your browser by clicking the tag or find the link in the description box below. Next is to sign in to your Epic Games account by clicking the profile button beside download. Once done, head back to your profile again and click Account. In Account Settings, you'll see your account information where your display name is located. Now to change the name, tap the Edit button. Note that if you change your Epic Games display name, you can't change it again for 2 weeks after you confirm this change. Never use your real name or such to be identified by others. Make your moniker unique. Tap the checkbox, then save your changes by clicking Confirm. To check if your display name has been updated, launch your Fortnite and view your character. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.